This is Proverbs chapter 18, verses 12 to 16. Alright, let's get into it. If a person's heart is proud, they will be destroyed. So don't be proud if you want to be honored. Proud isn't selfish. A cheerful to answer before listening is foolish and shameful. A cheerful spirit gives strength even during sickness. But you can't keep going if you have a broken spirit. Those whose hearts understand what is right get knowledge. That's because the ears of those who are wise listen for it. A gift opens the door and helps the giver meet important people. I'll read these extras then. In court, the first one to speak seems right, and someone else comes forward and questions them. Then someone else comes forward and questions them. Casting lots will put stop to arguing. It will keep the strongest enemies apart.